Our strata manager just asked the OC whether we want to install hand sanitizers. I'm curious if regulations are coming in that require this or whether it's just a precaution.
That's a precaution. I haven't heard any regulations as such. If they want to regulate, then they'd regulate that all owners corporations like Victoria must have a COVID safe plan in place, and they went a little bit soft on that, and I can explain a little bit about that in a little bit more detail. But the question is the right thing to do? Will that keep your family safe? Will that keep you safe? Not, oh, is a regulation? Oh, you show me what section and what act, and then I might think about it. Well, when you're ill, you're not feeling too well, you might think, well, maybe that decision back then is, I should have put one in place. And that's the other thing we look at is in decision making, we say in 3 to 5 years' time, when we're having this chat, what would have been the right decision to make back then? And in this circumstance, you may be pitching yourselves in weeks in front or a few months in front. And say if we're looking around December and look back, it would have been better back in August or September to have put all these measures in place. And that's the important question.